Hello everyone, I'm Malind. Welcome back to Grammar Labs, and today we are going to look at another very important part in English grammar, that is articles. You probably already know what articles are. However, there are many important rules so you should learn to use articles correctly. In this lesson we are going to discuss about articles and how to use them correctly. Okay, let's begin. First of all, let's talk about what are these articles. Articles are words that we use before noun to modify that noun. Technically, these articles act as an adjective because we know adjectives are always modifies nouns, so articles also always modifies nouns. So therefore, articles can stand in the sentence as an adjective. Basically, we use articles to identify noun is either specific or unspecific. In English grammar, there are three articles: a, an, and the. Actually, these are very small words, but it can do a big job in the sentence. These articles can be divided into two groups. These are definite articles and indefinite articles. Okay everyone, let's talk about what is this definite articles. We use word the as a definite article. So by using these definite articles, we can identify noun or object specifically. That is to say, speaker emphasize about a specific noun by using definite articles the, as well as a listener also clear which noun a speaker talking about. Okay everyone, let's see some example to identify this definite article. Look at these examples. Show me the book. I'm going to the shop. Can you open the front window please? Okay, look at the underlined words: the book, the shop, the front window. Okay, we use definite article word the before noun to modify that noun. Remember, by using definite articles, obviously you can specify the noun. Look at the first example. Show me the book. Here I emphasize about a specific book among other books. So listener also know which book I am talking about. Look at the second example. I am going to the shop. Here also obviously I know which shop I am going to. That is why I use definite articles word the before noun. But if I say I am going to a shop, it means I have no extra idea which shop I am going to. I can go any shop what I like. Okay, remember, by using definite articles we always finger out to the specific noun. Okay, let's move with third example. Can you open the front window please? Here also I pointed to a specific thing. Then listener know which window I am talking about. Okay everyone, when you look at this every examples, it's clear we use definite articles to talk about specific things. Okay, but remember, this is not all about definite articles. There are so many usages, so I will explain about rest of usages from my next video. So here I mentioned about basic uses of definite article. Okay everyone, now we are going to consider what is the indefinite article. At the beginning of this video I mentioned about two types of articles: definite articles and indefinite articles. We have already talked about definite articles. Now we are going to move with indefinite articles. As indefinite articles, we use a and an. These are we used to talk about unspecific things or define any nouns within a group. Okay everyone, now let's talk about how to use indefinite articles and with unspecific noun. Okay, in English language there are 26 letters in the alphabet. Among these 26 letters we use A, E, I, O, U as a vowel. Then rest of letters we use as the consonant. We use indefinite articles and with unspecific noun which begins with vowel sound. Remember, we do not follow vowel letters. We always follow vowel sound of the noun to use indefinite articles. Okay, let's look at some example. An apple, an orange, an enemy, an umbrella. Okay, when you look at these examples start with vowel letter as well as they pronounce vowel sound. So therefore we used an. Okay, look at these two examples. An hour, an university. Here an hour. Our start with consonant letter H. but here H silent. We use letter O sound, vowel sound, our, that is why we used N. Look at the next one, a university. U is vowel letter, but here it sounds consonant letter Y sound, so that is why we used a university. Okay everyone, now let's talk about how to use indefinite articles with nouns. Okay, we use indefinite articles with nouns which begins with consonant sound. Okay, look at some example. A boy, a woman, a book. Okay, when you look at these examples starts with consonant letter and also they pronounce consonant sound. So therefore we used a. Okay, look at these examples. A European, a university. Here European start with vowel letter E, but here E silent and come consonant letter Y sound. So therefore we used a European. A university. Here also U is a vowel letter, but this comes consonant letter Y sound. That is why we used a university. Okay everyone, let's look at some example to identify how to use indefinite articles in the sentence. Look at these examples. Show me a book. I am going to a shop. Can you open a window please? The ship hit an iceberg. Okay, last time we used the same examples to talk about specific things, so which is obviously now speak and listener. That time we used definite articles what, but this time here we use indefinite articles and an, because we are going to talk about unspecific things. Look at the first example. Show me a book. Here I am talking about any book among other books, so therefore listener can show me any book what he like. Look at the second example. I am going to a shop. Here also I haven't decided any specific shop to go, so therefore I can go to any shop what I like. Okay, let's move with the third example. Can you open a window please? Here also I don't figure out to a specific window, specific things, so therefore listener can open any window what he like. Okay, let's move with the fourth example. The ship hit an iceberg. Okay, here we don't know which iceberg ship hit because we used indefinite article. Okay everyone, when you look at these all examples, here it's clear we use indefinite articles to talk about unspecific things. Okay everyone, in this lesson I mentioned about what are the articles and its type. So here I mentioned about basic usage of article, but remember there are many different usages of articles, so I will explain about these different usages from my next video. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon with another grammar lesson. Bye bye.